In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view pages side by side in LibreOffice. If you're working on a document and want to compare two pages at once, review layout more comfortably, or simply get a wider view of your content, LibreOffice Writer makes this very easy. The setting is built right into the interface, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds. To begin, open your LibreOffice Writer file. Make sure the document you want to work with is already on screen, because the page view controls are easiest to understand when you can immediately see the effect on your pages. Next, look toward the very bottom right corner of the LibreOffice window. This area is called the status bar, and it contains several helpful viewing controls. If you've never used it before, this is where you can quickly change how your document appears without affecting the actual content of the file. In that bottom right area, find the 3-page view icons. These usually represent different ways of displaying your document, such as single page, multiple pages, and book view. Single page shows one page at a time, while the other options are useful when you want to see more than one page on screen. Now click either the book view icon or the multiple pages icon. In many cases, this is all you need to do to switch from a single page view to a side-by-side layout. Book view is especially useful if you want the document to look more like an open book, while multiple pages can help you see several pages depending on your screen size and zoom level. If your pages are still appearing stacked vertically instead of next to each other, don't worry. This usually happens because the zoom is set too high. To fix that, use the zoom slider in the bottom right corner of the window, right near the page view icons. Slowly reduce the zoom level until the pages snap into a side-by-side arrangement. This part is important because LibreOffice adjust the layout based on how much space is available on screen. Even if you've selected the correct view mode, the pages may not sit side by side until there's enough room for both to fit. And that's it. Once the zoom is lowered enough and the correct view is selected, you'll be able to view pages side by side in LibreOffice Writer. This is a great way to edit, compare formatting, or check the overall flow of your document more efficiently.